In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Teachable Machine. If you're brand new to it, Teachable Machine is a free web tool from Google that lets you quickly create simple machine learning models using your webcam, your microphone, or images and audio you already have. The best part is that it runs right in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Let's start with your web browser. Open your browser of choice. Chrome is recommended because it's the environment Teachable Machine is built and tested for, and it tends to provide the smoothest performance and compatibility. If you're using another modern browser, that usually works too, but Chrome can help minimize odd glitches. For a cleaner experience, you might want to close other heavy tabs so your computer has enough memory, especially if you plan to work with images or audio later. With your browser open, go to the site by typing Teachable Machine with google.com into the address bar and press enter. Take a quick look to make sure you've spelled it correctly and that you're on the official site. You should see the page load with Google branding and an introduction to Teachable Machine. If your connection is slow, give it a moment. Large assets can take a bit to appear the first time. If you accidentally land on a search results page, just click through to the official domain. Seeing the lock icon in the address bar is a good sign you're on a secure connection. Once the homepage is visible, look for the Get Started button. It's typically prominent near the top of the page. Click Get Started. This takes you into the main area where you can begin creating a project. You'll usually see options for different project types like image, audio, or pose projects, along with brief descriptions of what each one does. Don't worry if you're not sure what to choose yet. Just reaching this screen means you've successfully opened Teachable Machine and you're ready for your next steps. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the site seems unresponsive, a simple page refresh may help, and double-check that your internet connection is stable. Content filters or strict privacy settings can occasionally block camera or microphone access. If you plan to use those features later, you may need to allow permissions within your browser. And if you'll return often, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back here quickly. That's it. Open your browser, go to teachablemachine.com with Google. And click Get Started. You're now set to explore and build your first model.